So hello everyone, you might have seen this title. So nothing like title or something. I felt like this is an issue. I get some questions and like how to deal with monotonous life. So don't let someone's real life ruin your real life. Okay, so this preparation is monotonous. Okay, how much I say that enjoy the process, you are learning new concept, this is not boring, but you might feel that when you see your other friends that they are going out, they're enjoying with friends, or they don't have so much to worry about. Okay, so all these things might hamper your like mental state, and you might think like this is monotonous. Okay, so this happens, so it's not that it's not unusual. If you are feeling that, it is happening. Okay, it happens to a lot of people, you are not an exceptional case. So see, when you are preparing like 10 hours 12 hours a day, and you have to, then you are going to sleep, and again you have to study next day, like you are going on and on for like a year, or even some people are there who preparing for more than a year. So this happens that you might feel that other people's lives are easier than us. Okay, so this happens, and I will tell you why you should not do it. Okay, so first of all, this is your life and you are not a kid. You have chosen this path on your own. Like you are preparing for GATE, so you are not preparing for IIT JEE. So they are kids, you are grown up, you are an adult. Okay, so 18 plus I think. So you are grown up and no one can force you to do anything. This is your choice, this is your life, and this is you have chosen. Okay, so this preparation, GATE preparation, let's say, see, we are mainly focusing on GATE preparation. So GATE preparation you have chosen, no one else has done it for you. So you have chosen the path, and this path is tough, but whatever you will get out of this path at the end will be like much bigger than what you are seeing right now in others. Okay, so yes, it is tough. Okay, so I'll tell you, because see, I have been preparing for like a lot of times, and I used to see before corona period also, like people used to go here and there, and movies, their like trips and etc. I used to feel bad. I will give you a real life example soon. I used to feel bad, but then I told that like no one put a gun to my head and said go home and study. Okay, I was in Mumbai, so everyone was there, most of people were there, so I was the one who left and started preparing for GATE. So no one forced me out of the job. See, I resigned and then I came back like to studies, but like TCS did not kick me out. Okay, so and I wasn't forced to like nothing else is happening in life, so I should prepare for GATE. But it was my decision, my choice, so I have to do right by it. Okay, so honestly my father was a bit pissed because I left the job in middle. So see, it was my decision, and then I have to go on. I cannot leave that preparation in middle because it was my decision, and honestly no one forced me to prepare for GATE. So that's why whenever I used to feel monotonous and like that, see, you might feel it, this can happen, this is very normal. Like you are day in day out and you are going like the syllabus and test series and PYQs are doing same thing again and again. Even if I am telling you that these concepts are very very interesting and everything, but you will still like months you are doing in a stretch, 1 year, and you are continuously preparing, it might happen that you will get bored. So you have to think that after exam you will enjoy. So I'll tell you the best part of all the journey is when I got IIT Kharagpur, and before the classes began, there was like I think 2.5 months. I think I did a lot of videos and I enjoyed. I obviously didn't went out much because of this, the situation outside. So I enjoyed. I was thinking, because I got IIT Kharagpur and the classes hasn't began. So there was like 2.5 months. I think May first day of counseling. I think May end was it, and my classes began on August. So it was more than 2.5 months. So I enjoyed a lot because I was stress free, because I have already got rank in college. I was stress free, and I obviously you can enjoy if this corona period ends, and you can enjoy next year with going here and there, wherever you want you can go. Okay, so even I will tell you that after February, so you don't keep worrying. I will okay after February about worrying and everything will go on there when time comes. But like see, 3 months you prepare well, extensively you prepare, like give your best of best, okay, your hard work, and after February you can enjoy. Okay, so you have to, the only thing you have to do is submit. See, February to March you have to do nothing, okay, because there will be nothing there, so no form fill up, anything. After the results are out, there will be form fill up. So I think IIIT Hyderabad exam is there, so you might prepare for that. But honestly, if you have prepared for GATE, it's nothing much of work, because I have heard from people it will not take much of your time. So after February you can enjoy a lot, okay, so you can enjoy like whole day, so you have to don't worry about it. So from March your this forms of IIT, COPE will start, okay, not COPE, sorry, COPE, you will get a number of COPE. So IIT's forms you have to fill up after the results are out, I think 3rd week of March. So you have to just fill up the forms of IITs, and if there are any interviews you have to prepare for that. So that's it. You can enjoy this period of time also. After March also you can enjoy. Yeah, this is there will be some, you have to study sometime, but it will be not like GATE you are preparing 12 hours a day, not like that, okay. So it will, you can enjoy that part of your life, okay. So it is coming, it is coming, like winter is coming, so like that it's coming. So you don't so you can enjoy in that time period. So then NITs will start. See, if you get IITs before that, you don't have to get into NITs, okay. So I got so NITs will start a bit late also, so you can enjoy a lot of time. So I did, I'll tell you, I did. Obviously after February I wasn't thinking much. Then March I got the result, then I was filling the forms, and then May, I don't remember the exact date, maybe I'll check. So May first week, first counseling I got IIT Kharagpur, and then thereafter was nothing. So I had absolutely nothing to do. So I have enjoyed that time. I have made a lot of videos because I love doing this, and I have watched so many of series because I loved doing that also, watching series. So okay, so I'll tell you that. So I'll tell you another story recently, that see, even if I am telling you all this, like giving you all this gyan, but I am not a perfect person. I do mistakes too. So I'll tell you. See, I think 1 month or 1.5 months back, so some Sunday, actually I was studying, doing all the coursework, studying for coursework, and I saw, like, even if WhatsApp status, Instagram status, I'm active there, WhatsApp and Instagram. So I saw so many, like, people are going to mountains here, there, and like no corona is there, so like that I have said. So I was like depressed, like I am here sitting all the day working, etc, etc. I was thinking, and you know, I did not get proper sleep that night, okay. Sunday night I did not get a proper sleep. I was thinking and tossing and turning on bed, and I woke up, I had to wake up around 7:30, because 8 around see, exactly 8 a.m. class starts Monday. So I'll tell you, even 8 a.m. So who takes the class? Dr. Partho Protein Chakro. Okay, so who is he? If you don't know, Google it out, okay. So whatever I say will be less, okay, whatever I say it will be less, I cannot like honor him whatever I say. So he is former director of IIT, and whatever he did, you Google it out, because so he is a former director. So how much efforts he puts, you cannot imagine, okay. So I'll tell you. See, I don't know even my BTech dean or director, I haven't seen them, but the amount this sir puts, it's like I cannot try to say also, because he is former director. In every day, even before 8 o'clock, he will be there, he will be starting the meeting, like MS Teams, and he records every class. So yeah, AI is, see, I haven't mentioned, so he is taking AI, okay. So there are other professors also, I mean Plavon sir and Sudeshwar Sarkar ma'am, you might have heard of them also, but he started taking, and then Plavon sir is taking, Plavon sir took, and then Sudeshwar Sarkar ma'am is taking, okay. So the thing is, he was taking the class, and before 8 a.m. he will start the class, okay. Like obviously you will wait for some time, and not just taking the class, okay. Like here he takes, he makes recorded lectures. See, if you want to prepare AI after your GATE exam, everything is available on YouTube. You ask me, I'll give you the link. Everything is available on YouTube. Whatever he has taught, Plavon sir has taught, everything is on YouTube. So he's a former director, and he puts videos, recorded videos even before the classes, so that people can have hang of that. And in class he will put so much of effort. He makes obviously PDFs and everything. He will use the pointer and anything. He puts so much of work. I have never seen like any director putting so much of work. And then even in tutorials he will check everyone's answers. Okay, so there are a bunch of TAs to do that, but still he does check everyone's answer. In exam he will be there sitting. So why I'm mentioning here, because see, in even so I just completed that even in exam, so TAs are there. Why he need to be present 2 hours of exam? So but still he does. So he think how much he is putting effort. And so where was I? So Sunday I wasn't able to sleep properly, and I had to wake up before the class. And I was so cranky, and I wasn't understanding properly. So I felt horrible. Okay, so this person, he's a legend, and he is putting so much of effort. And the day before, I was thinking people are going to this mountains and everything, and I am sitting at home. So I felt terrible. Okay, I felt terrible that I am thinking all this nonsense, and here sir is putting so much effort. At 8 a.m. Every class, no one is late. Okay, we are the ones who get late sometimes, but professors are never late. So he is putting so much of effort. Monday morning I was thinking, still yesterday night I did not sleep well. Around 4 a.m. I was still awake, and then 7 a.m. I think a bit 2 or 3 hours of sleep I got. And I was so cranky, and I felt so like horrible that sir is putting so much of effort, and I am wasting his effort, and I should not do that. So what is this, like someone is going to some beach or mountain? That is not what I aimed for. See, obviously I will someday I'll go, but this is what I aimed for. GATE, then the GAT GATE exam, and then go for the IITs, I mean MTech, so not IITs, I mean MTech, and there I will learn, and obviously whatever comes next I will be looking forward to it. So I did not aim for going to mountains, going to beach. So it wasn't my aim. My aim was to get into a good college, learn from them. So I have got this huge opportunity, and I am missing it out. So I felt horrible, and from I never did anything such kind of thing later. So obviously, so I will see what subjects I have, what professors are teaching, how is teaching. I will make everything a video, but I just wanted to mention this. So even 8 a.m. Tuesday also 8 a.m. we have class. Nishant sir will be there. And then Wednesday I have class later, so other relatives will be there. So Thursday also our faculty advisor is him, Dr. Manjunathan Mahadevappa. So he is also there even before 8 o'clock. So professors are so efficient, you know. I mean, coming from a private BTech college, it's like a huge thing. Like so, like faculty advisors, he is asking for someone was missing classes. He will be asking for, like, is he okay? Is he fine? Is he or she fine? Like that. I haven't seen anything like that. Okay, so all this. So 8 o'clock. I am just talking about 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so other teachers are obviously sorry, not I should not call them teachers. Professors are already there, but I have just mentioned this because 8 a.m. So we find it difficult to get up at 7 a.m. in the morning. So that's it. If you are a morning person, very good. If you are not, you have to make a habit of it when you go for your masters. Okay, so that I wanted to share. Even if I am telling you all this, giving you all these lectures about how you should not put this feeling that your life is boring and others are having a best time of their life. So I also did some mistake 1.5 months back, I remember. So please don't do this. And if you are see, I get asked later how I get these questions that what subjects, professors and everything. I'll make a video. Okay, so there will be a separate video for this. I just mentioned him because of this incident, and that's it. Other professors and everything I will mention. Okay, so I know after this video I'll get questions, but I will hold on for a second and just think that if you are feeling your life is monotonous, you signed up for it because you know this is greater than what others is doing. Because why you have chosen this path, something you might find out. So think about this, why you have started this journey in the first place. Remember that and keep going. Okay, so that's it. Bye, and see you in next video.